Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Crystal Witter and I'm a SNU alumna from the graduating class 2021.
Hi students, my name is Andreano and I'm the co-host of Knowledge for Students podcast.
And I'm Drew, class of 2020, and we're going to show you a fast, affordable recipe that's great for studying.
First step is cutting the potatoes. Make sure always to place your hands like this just so you don't cut yourself. Who doesn't like potatoes? First step, done.
So next you're going to add a can of green beans, and this is the green beans I use. And you're going to also add any protein of your choice. The protein I used was 1 cup of baked beans, and this is super affordable as well. So you pour that on top. Perfect.
Next, you add a chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and some spices. Now you can get creative with the spices on this one. You can do anything from steak spice to curry. A little garlic always works for me, as long as I don't have class afterward. Mix well and bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Enjoy!
Did you know that many students struggle to eat healthy meals to support their learning? 40% of post-secondary students report experiencing food insecurity. That's about triple the national average of 12%.
This year, we're raising money to address food insecurity on campus. Together, we can provide students with more access to nourishing food and support programs that addresses food insecurity through empowerment and education.
The wmurphyfoundation has pledged to match all donations to 10 universities and colleges across Nova Scotia again this year. So when you give this Giving Tuesday, it makes twice the impact. So give back this Giving Tuesday.
Give back this Giving Tuesday.
Give back this Giving Tuesday.